something about your eyes. Tell me this feeling's unusual. Cause feelings are so hard to fight. No, it's a little soon, maybe. But
I still remember telling myself, hindi na ako mag-girlfriend. Sakit sa ulo lang yun eh. Masaya naman na ako.
crazy. Let's get married in Vegas. We don't need a guest list. I don't wanna think too much. Let's get matching tattoos. I don't wanna think it through, baby. I'm so stupid in love, so stupid in love with you. I'm so stupid in love, so stupid in love with you. I'm so stupid in love.
You came, babe, I've been waiting for you all day.
At first, I like you because you're tall, dark, and handsome. But over the years, you proved that you're more than that. You're funny, smart, witty, caring, generous, and most of all, you have the kindest heart.
Let's get
Married in Vegas, we don't need a guest list. I don't wanna think too much. Let's get matching tattoos. I don't wanna think it through, baby. I'm so stupid in love. Book a flight to Paris, only one way. What you think about sharing my last name? Let's get straight to I do. I don't wanna think it through, baby. I'm so stupid in love, so stupid in love with you. I'm so stupid in love, so stupid in love with you. I'm so stupid in love with you.
Pauline, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa itong si Kevin na narito ngayon, kahawak kamay mo, kalapit mo, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating inang simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Good light shining from your eyes. Gotta tell you something. Gotta tell you something. Hard times will make their way to us. Gotta tell you something. Gotta tell you something. And I will love you like this forever.
Thank you for making me feel loved, for loving me even at times when I'm not at my best. Thank you for bringing joy into my life. At times when I feel like I don't belong, hindi mo ako iniwan. Hindi mo ako hinayaang mag-isa. As cheesy as it sounds, binigyan man ng kulay ang mundo ko.
Love you like this forever. This forever.
And now that we are one, I promise not to choose to make excuses, but rather to always choose to love. I also promise that you will never feel alone anymore in this world and the next. I love you so much.
Na ano na nga ako eh. Na tumawag yung friends ko kanina. Tapos pagkagising ko parang naiyak na ako na ano eh.
I promise to love, honor, and cherish you through all life's adventures and challenges. Kahit saan tayo makarating, hindi kita iiwan. And even though I can promise that I'll cook every night, I promise to always clean up after you.
Hello? Hello, nag-give ka pa joke! Oh, yung gift ko pa, Joe. Oh my God!
And above all, I promise na ikaw lang. Wala ngayon hanggang dulo. Mahal na mahal kita.
Ikaw at ako, tayo'y pinagtagpo. Ikaw at ako, di na muling magkakalayo. Sa tuwing kasama kita, wala nang kulang pa. Mahal na mahal kang talaga. Tayo ay iisa, ikaw at ako. Tayo'y pinagtagpo. Ikaw at ako, di na muling magkakalayo. Uno sa buhay natin, di ko papansinin. Tadhana, tadhana, ikaw ang aking bituin. Ikaw at ako,
Pinagkakatiwala kayo yung story. Mamahalin ko. Bahala ka na.
ikaw at ako, di na muling magkakalayo. Ikaw at ako, tayo'y